Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you easily add accounts in PhonePe. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me, let's jump right into it. First, of course, you open your Play Store or App Store to make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. Then we quit from here to open the app. Of course, you have to be logged in and it will look like this. You first tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, of course, to go to your profile. In your profile, under the bank account category right here, swipe to the right. Once you swipe enough, you find this Add Bank Account button. You tap on it, of course, and it will take you to this list of banks. Find the one that you want to add and then tap on the bank name right here. Then here, enter your bank details until you find the account and then you tap on Proceed to Add. It will take you to this page where it says that account added successfully. That means you have added the account successfully to PhonePe. Once you quit, you find the account here under the bank accounts category. That means you have successfully added an account to PhonePe. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.